Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Ford Fiesta windscreen wipers. First, make sure you have your new wiper blades ready, along with a soft cloth to protect your windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. Now, look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll see a small tab or button. To remove the old blade, press the small release tab or button you just located. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade downwards or outwards, depending on your specific model, until it detaches from the arm. It should come off with a gentle pull. Always be careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back against your windshield, as this could cause damage. Now take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards or inwards until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firm. Once attached, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto your windshield, making sure it rests flat. Finally, it's time to test your new wipers. Turn on your car and activate the windshield washer fluid to ensure the blades make full contact and clear the glass effectively. Check for any streaks or missed spots. If everything looks good, you're all set for clear visibility. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.